Okay, I just want to show you what I've got working. I have a support case open with Twilio. I believe Twilio might even be having some carrier network services. That's okay. Use your imagination, and I'll play what you know would hear once Twilio's back up and running. So we're in the home page. We go to notifications, and we go to our individual sandbox, and let's use the phone button. And this is going to kick off the PyATS job that's going to learn interfaces. And as you can see, I've disabled two interfaces, an Exchange server and a firewall. I've given them. Now, this is really neat. As I'm talking, I get the phone call. And I'm going to accept it, and maybe it's fixed. I don't know. I doubt it. But when I hit speaker, it's going to play. And I'm going to hit play here so that you can get the idea.
Hello. At the 31st of October 2021, 14 hours, 36 minutes and 8 seconds
really
plus 0
I can't just put this
on device devnet _ sandbox _ nexus 9K. Merlin has detected the following interfaces are disabled. Ethernet 1/2. Firewall. Ethernet 1/1. Exchange server.
Waiting to be replayed. And if there were no interfaces that were down, and I'm going to have to add some labeling here. If there's no interfaces that are down, there'll be no message here, and it won't make the phone call. I have that in a bit of logic here that says if shut interfaces is not still an empty list, then don't do anything. But if it is, record it, post it to the page as an MP3, and phone our network technician from a phone number that's in the Django database. More to come. I just wanted to show you that in the click of a button, in just a few seconds, and again, on a real server with horsepower, and on a real network, not a DSL connection, the phone's probably already ringing, like in a production grade network. But I'm okay with it. Any second now, any second now, the phone's going to ring, and I hit, accept it, and hello, yeah, oh, it's still not playing anything. But that's not my fault. That's Twilio's fault, I think. I have a support ticket open. But pretty neat. And if it is something that I'm doing wrong, I don't think it is, but I'll fix it. And we're really close to having the network phone us and tell us there's a problem and what the problem is. Pretty cool stuff. So what am I going to do next? Well, I think I'm going to add an input box to give like an override to call any number. And you type in the number you want, press enter, and instead of phoning the number that's behind the button, it's going to phone the on-demand number. Let's try that next. All right, we'll see you soon.